Welcome everyone. Today we're gonna talk about flex head half-inch ratchet from Hazet. I usually order tools from German Amazon, but this time I ordered it from another online store and they sent me this ratchet in this plastic packet. But I ordered other products too and everything was in big box though. The HiPer series I got from Amazon came up with this nice box. Moving on, let's have a look at this ratchet. The part number of this ratchet is 916GK. It is standard length flex head non-locking ratchet. This ratchet is an old design from Hazet. Looks nice and solid. Typical Hazet matte chrome finish style. Ratchet head is shiny chrome finish than rest of the body. The part number is stamped. Only Germany is stamped even though it's made in Germany. Its longer version ratchet has made in Germany stamped on it. I think due to the limited space on the shaft, they might decide to stamp only Germany. Handle fits just okay in my hands. Handle is two-component design. Blue and black color combination. Both color has same material unlike HiPer series where black part is a bit softer and blue part is harder. But this handle is kind of hard material completely. I would say I like more of the HiPer series handle than this one. The selector switch is recessed and made of a metal. Changing direction is nice and solid. It is 32 teeth design. Mind you, it's an old design, although it has coarse teeth, but it is nice and smooth. I'm a big fan of flex head ratchet, which is so versatile for different odd angles and situations. It can be used as a speed ratchet. One thing I don't like about this ratchet is it's floppy. You can tighten the screw, but it should have come little tighter at first place. Overall, it is solid ratchet and workmanship is top notch. The ratchet is 270mm or 10.6 inches long in case you guys are wondering. Let's bring other German standard length ratchets and see how this ratchet looks in comparison. I got here Gedore flex head ratchet, a HiPer series ratchet from Hazet, and also I got here two different fixed head ratchet from Stahlwille. Just to give you guys an idea how these are different to each other. Let's compare it with the HiPer series fixed head ratchet first. This ratchet is a bit smaller than the HiPer series ratchet. The ratchet head thickness is almost same. HiPer series ratchet has bit of more cylindrical shape. Both ratchet heads are shiny chromed. HiPer series ratchet handle is comfort grip and has hanger hole. Matte chrome finish is same in other metal part. Selector switch of HiPer ratchet is significantly bigger. Both have nice and solid selector switch. HiPer series is 90 teeth design and I would say it's smoother than the flex head one. Comparing to Gedore ratchet, it seems is a lot thicker, but in reality it is not when considering Gedore ratchet head dial style direction disc. Gedore handle is flat style comfort grip and bit longer. I personally like the grip of Gedore ratchet. Gedore ratchet is 72 design though. When comparing to the new fine tooth Stahlwille ratchet, the Hazet ratchet is maybe couple of millimeter longer. Stahlwille head is bit narrower though. Stahlwille selector switch is way too smoother than the Hazet one. The teeth count on Stahlwille is 80 and it's the smoothest of all. Stahlwille ratchet handle is comfort grip style and bit bulkier too, but I like the grip of Stahlwille more than the Hazet ratchet. Here I got another Stahlwille round head ratchet. Considering the selector switch of Stahlwille Ratchet, I would say Hazet Ratchet head is narrower. This Stahlwille Ratchet has 60 teeth design and is smoother than the Hazet one, but Hazet Ratchet has low teeth count, which makes it a bit stiffer than the rest of the fine tooth ratchet for obvious reasons. At the end, I would say the ratchet gives solid impression. Only thing I did not like about this ratchet is floppiness and the bit noisy mechanism. But come on, it's Hazet, one of the best tool brands in the world. On contrary, this is Hazet old style ratchet. I would love to see HiPer series in flex head locking mechanism. Let's see in the future if Hazet can bring that. Okay guys, that's it with the review. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you like the video, consider to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in another video.
Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts, I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong, I won't stop to the top, so you better back off and get lost. I'ma stay loud, stay proud, never running out, never heading south. I'll be spreading out, call it word of mouth, can't put me down, I'll be getting loud. You can have your doubts, not what I'm about, have your fucking clout. It be raining now, I keep making sound, go another round, bitch I'm legend bound, can't stop me now. You don't wanna fuck with me, a slow burn like a disease.